So you've got your custom branded live stream broadcast ready to go, but just trying to figure out how you can live stream to multiple social media platforms at the exact same time. Well, this is going to be the video for you, so make sure you subscribe so you can learn more about digital and social media and live streaming. If you're brand new to my channel, my name is Monty Weaver, digital strategist teaching entrepreneurs, small business owners, nonprofits, churches, how to leverage the power of social media and digital. And we're going to talk about live streaming, one of my favorite topics to talk about because there's nothing like the power of video. It just is able to communicate in a way that words just can't on paper. You know, it's just something about being on video that just makes it a lot easier to grow that know, like, and trust with someone. Just like you're watching this YouTube channel, you're going to be able to learn about me through the power of using video. So we're going to talk about Restream in this video. Chances are that you've heard about it before, which is the reason you've stumbled across this particular video. So we're going to actually talk about how to use it and their new feature, which might help you eliminate some of your platforms that you're currently using. So if you've just learned how to use OBS or XSplit or Wirecast or vMix or any other live streaming platform, you can definitely still use those platforms. But if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, this could easily be that all-in-one solution for you as well. So let's take a look at the computer and dive into learning Restream. All right, so we are on the computer and I am going to simply log into my Restream account and authenticate, looking at the buses here to verify. And now I am logged into the Restream Dashboard. Now this is a very simple platform to use, and again, if you're brand new to this platform, this is probably the easiest way to live stream to multiple destinations without setting up multiple devices. So if you want to go to Facebook and YouTube, this is definitely the platform to consider to do it all at once. Now, I don't know the pricing on what Restream is at the time of this recording. I actually got a one-time purchase deal through APPSUMO, and I'll link to that in the bottom description so you can check that out. Every so often, they have a great deal on Restream, so you can buy it for a one-time purchase, and you don't have to pay the monthly fees. So let's take a look around the Restream platform. Now, at the very top, we'll see it says multi-streaming dashboard and add channel. This is where we can click on and select which social profiles that we want to connect to the Restream platform. So whether that's Facebook or Mixer or Twitch, YouTube, Periscope, LinkedIn, any of these platforms can be connected to Restream. And then you'll even notice at the very bottom you have Facebook groups and you have your custom RTNP. So we won't get into custom RTNP in this video, but this allows you to take that code that's a RTNP stream code and easily add that as well. So maybe you want to go to a private server or a private website. This would be how you would actually do that. So let's go back to our previous page. And right now I already have Facebook connected to my profile in Restream. Now below this I also have a custom RTNP for Instagram. Now Instagram is something that I'm still testing, but you'll see that in another video, I'm sure. Now if we want to turn on or off any of these, this simply is a toggle button. So let's say that we want to use Restream to broadcast to our Facebook page. We can easily just turn this toggle on, or maybe we don't want to stream to Facebook and we have another list of platforms we want to go to. We can turn this toggle off and turn the other toggle on for the platforms we actually want to go to. So some of your content might not be for every platform, so definitely consider how you want to live stream and which channels you want to turn on or off for your particular live stream broadcast. Let's jump back into the screen. So after you've added all the channels that you actually want to live stream to, you can look on the far right hand side of the screen and you'll find your RTMP URL and your RTMP stream key. This information just needs to be simply copied and pasted into your live streaming platform. So whether you're using OBS or Wirecast or vMix, chances are you know how to do it, but if you haven't, check out my video that's tagged to this and I'm going to walk you through how to use OBS as a free platform to do it. You can easily take your stream key and your stream URL that's provided for you in Restream and copy and paste it into the live streaming platform of your choice. So what's going to happen is you're going to go from your live streaming platform to Restream, and Restream is going to connect to any social media platform that you want to stream to. Very simple. All you have to do is add your channels, authenticate, and you're ready to go. But I want to show you some of the features that Restream also provides for you. So on the left hand side, you'll notice something called Live Studio. Now, this is a brand new feature that I'm super excited about because it has a lot of capabilities. And like I said at the beginning of this video, if you actually are looking for ways to kind of get rid of some of the platforms like an OBS or a Wirecast, this could be the all-in-one solution for you. So what you can do here is actually bring in your camera and your audio into Restream. So you don't have to worry about any other platforms. So I'm going to simply turn on my Logitech webcam, and you see me here. And I'm also bringing in my audio. Now for this particular video, so I don't have a whole bunch of audio reverb going on, I'm going to leave that part disabled, but you can see I am live here in Restream without any other software, which is pretty cool. So on the right hand side that you'll notice that you can also view your chat. So all the social media platforms that you have connected, you have the ability to bring in chat. This is a feature that I really am excited about, because how many times do you try to monitor your Facebook comments and monitor your YouTube comments and your Periscope comments, and they're all over the place because you're using multiple devices? Well, with Restream and their live studio mode, you can actually watch all the comments pop up in the right hand side all in real time. So it's a platform that definitely is an all-in-one solution. So over on the right hand side, you actually have your caption section where you can bring in Twitter and you can add some additional captions that you might want to have on the stream. So we'll do Restream testing and we'll add our caption, and when we click on it, we can show it at the bottom of the screen. So you can add text in real time as you're talking, or I like to insist that you do it ahead of time, especially if you're going to talk about certain topics or certain agenda in your live stream broadcast. Go ahead, create those ahead of time, and that way all you have to do is click the little show button or the hide button and it will go away. Now, there is limitations on how creative you can be. So if you're looking for the creative style with your own custom branded look and feel and colors and text, then you might want to stick with OBS and Wirecast and vMix, any of those platforms, because you don't have those options inside of Restream, at least not right now. Next tab over is the graphic screen. So if you have a logo that you might want to display in the upper corner, you can do that. If you have overlays that you want to create and display, you can definitely do that as well. You can't be too creative because this platform doesn't allow you to, but you can definitely bring in some elements so it's just not you on screen with just the camera. And then finally, on the right hand side, we can actually set which destinations we want to go to again right here in this window. So if we want to go to Facebook, if we wanted to go to YouTube, we could easily turn these on and turn these off, and then once we're ready to go, in the upper section of the window, we simply hit the go live button. Once you're live, make sure you start talking, because so many times we forget that we're live and trying to wait for people to jump on the screen. Definitely go live, start talking, because remember, you always have a replay audience. So definitely take advantage of this platform and the capabilities that it can do with Live Studio. Now, if you want to actually monitor your chat outside of Restream, you can easily open up the browser-based version, or you can download the actual application and actually have that brought up on your screen. So that's an awesome feature as well if you decide that you don't want to use Restream as the actual streaming platform with your video, but only want to use it to connect your social platforms. Below that, you can check out your analytics. And this was a test of me using Restream just a couple minutes ago before jumping on here. You can see that at the very top, March 27th, 2020, I was online for 25 minutes testing this out in my group. and we had 2 viewers, max viewers of 6, the peak time. So this gives you a lot of data as you scroll through all the different options you have in the stream metrics, average duration, so you can really gauge when is the best time for you to jump on and do a live video, how long people are actually staying on your live video, and that way you can really use data, and I'm big on data, using that data to actually help you grow your channel, whether that's live or you want to grow your channel pre-recorded videos as well, so you actually know when is the best time to play those videos. The next section down here is your stream recorded videos that I just talked about, so you can actually schedule your events ahead of time. So maybe you have a video that you want to play ahead of time, or you know you're going to be live at a certain time. You can schedule your event, put out the notification, let people know. You can see here, this is one of our live video streams that we uploaded, which was just a video file, and we actually played this through Restream. So there are a lot of different options that you can use for Restream, but the main reason you probably want to use this platform is definitely to connect all your social media to one place, and then be able to use this platform to go live to the world. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. If you have questions, definitely ask your questions in the chat below. I hope you learned a lot. If you need some help with your live streaming, definitely feel free to reach out to me, and definitely check out some of the other videos that are here on the YouTube channel. And until next time, happy streaming.